Rebecca, how dare you walk out on me when I'm still talking to you? How dare you, Rebecca?
Because it's my room. If you are going to shout at me, you would do it in my private space.
Young woman, this entire house is mine! And I can shout out to you wherever I damn fit! Why are you making so much fuss?
Exactly. I don't even know why I am complaining. Because you do this all the time. God forbid you show up to something important to me.
Excuse me, are you trying by any chance to guilt-trip me?
That will imply that you have a conscience. Which years of forced cohabitation with you reveal you do not.
Maybe in your own word and your own English, you need to tell me exactly what you want from me. Because I'm doing the best I can.
Best for who?
For you, Rebecca. No! Turn your hands off. You do not speak to me and raising your hands to my face. Do you hear me? No matter what, I'm still your mother. Because I do not treat my mother like that. So when next time you want to talk to me, make sure you pick your manners where you left it.
You are doing the best for yourself. Everything you've ever done since I've known you is for yourself. You are so selfish. It was my graduation, for crying out loud. And you didn't even bother to be there. Look, it's like you just sit up and decide to leave the house. Huh?
Why did you sound like I have...
Look, I can do it too. I too can do it. I can do it. I am living.
Rebecca. Ngima! Gamatome! Do not push me!
Freedom. Watch me.
Ah! Chama! Chama! Choma, do not open that door. That must be Rebecca. I am sure she forgot to take her keys when she stepped out of this house. You will sleep outside today. You have the effrontery, you have the guts to walk out on me while I was still talking to you. Silly girl, sleep out. And why are you standing here? Better go back inside. Anita, go open the door. Holy moly! Anita, what's going on? Anita! Why are you having blood all over your body?
We had an accident.
Who are we?
And I'm touching her, she's not waking up.
Wait, you're not making sense. Okay. Who and you had an accident?
Rebecca, we had an accident. I was waking up, and I don't know what to do.
Where is she?
Don't.
Are you left her there? Don't follow me!
Hi, Rebecca. It's time to take your drugs. Rebecca.
Pills. And what?
Come on, Rebecca. I really can't go 3 rounds again with you today. You know you have to take this medication with water. Becca, look, I understand what you're going through, okay? I know it's not easy, but please, you really need to help me on this. Please. Here.
Get out! Get out! No!
Any luck?
No, ma. I really do not know what to do about this.
I understand, my dear. I also do not know what to do as well.
Sorry, ma. I should take this to the kitchen. Ma, you know I need to talk to the doctor about this.
I know, my dear. I know. Thank you. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you. My child, how are you feeling? You can't keep ignoring me like this, Rebecca. You should have known better. By now, all we have is each other. Please, my child.
I am warning you.
What's wrong with
See. Caro, I give you 20 seconds to let go of me. Else
what? What will you do? What will you do? What will you do?
Look at your mother. Talk to
Beat me.
See, I will not warn you again.
Beat me. You must beat me. Beat me. You have hurted me so much. Beat me. I want you to hurt me physically. Tell your father to beat me. Beat me.
Talk to your mother. You should let go of me for the last time.
He's alive. I'm leaving you. You must beat me.
Caro, I give you 20 seconds to let go of me.
But they always fighting all the time.
They're not. Come on, Lila. See, let me tell you something. They're not fighting. They're talking.
I don't understand why they're always fighting.
You know how we watch movies, right? That's what they're doing. They're just... Bella, just lie down, okay? How are you?
If she doesn't take her drugs regularly, it might affect her healing process.
Doc, you know this is my only child. I'm trying to be strong, but it's not working. Please. Do you have any idea we can implement? Please.
There is a nurse I know. Although his methods are unorthodox. But it seems to have always get the patients to come around.
I'm not worried about his method. I just need somebody to take care of my child. Can I see him, please?
Sure. I will set up a meeting tomorrow.
Thank you. Thank you so much. I'm really grateful.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
I need to take my leave now.
My dog. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, baby. I'm good, thank you. How are you? I'm home. The usual place? Okay, let me dress up. Bye.
Hell no.
Excuse me?
I am sure there is a mix-up somewhere. You surely cannot be a nurse.
And why is that?
Why is that? Do you look like a nurse?
Ma'am, you shouldn't be hasty with your judgment.
Listen, young man. I am not trying to disrespect you. I just want someone who would take good care of my daughter.
And you think I can't?
I must say, I doubt your ability on that.
How about we have a trial run? I work for a month. And by the end of the 31 days, if you still feel the same way, you can cast your vote of no confidence in me and I will walk through that door and I'll never come back again.
I must say, I like your confidence. And I like the way you talk too.
Thank you, ma'am.
If at the end of 31 days, and you were never to prove yourself, let me leave that for now. I must warn you, my daughter is not the easiest person to be around.
That is not a problem, ma'am. None of my past patients were easy from the start.
Okay. Like I said, I like your confidence.
Thank you, ma'am.
All right then, let me take you to my daughter and introduce you properly.
I'm sorry, ma'am, if you don't mind, I like to make my own introductions.
Okay. Her room is the last on the left. But please hold on. Let me call the housekeeper so she can bring her medication.
It's fine, ma'am.
Chioma! Chioma!
Yes, ma'am.
Where were you?
Sorry.
Okay. I want you to take the nurse to Rebecca's room and ensure you come along with her drugs.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome.
You are a shameless man. Anytime you are seen, it must be in the company of a young girl. Girls of your daughter's age. Are you not ashamed of yourself?
Carol, do you have sense at all? Do you have sense at all? Look at you calling me names. Do you have sense? You've been fighting this fight for a long time and you're still saying the same thing.
Exactly my point. What do you want? You already have 2 girls and a boy. What do you want? Shameless he-goat. Shameless he-goat! Stop looking at me. What do you want? Shameless he-goat. That's mommy me. Go and meet your father. Go. See, your father is a cheat. You are a cheat. Your father is a cheat. You are a cheat.
What do you want? Why are you calling me a cheat? Why are you calling me a cheat? What do I not do for you? I give you allowance every now and then. And you have the effort to call me names.
You are a cheat! You are a cheat! That's who you are! Are you not a cheat? You are a cheat! Your father is a cheat! You are a cheat! Enough!
What is wrong with both of you?
Ask him!
Ask your mother!
Father, I am talking to you. Every day in this house, you guys fight. Day in, day out. Do you even think for a moment what this does to me or her? She's a child, for God's sake.
You should ask your mother.
Father, I am talking to you! You are the man of this house! Oh! So you know your father is the man of this house?
You want to be blamed too. You are a woman, for God's sake. What am I supposed to take into my husband's house? Every day as a mother, you shout at that and you nag at everything. And you! Please, be responsible.
It's not my fault. It's his fault.
You
are a cheat.
It's your fault.
You are a cheat. He should be ashamed of himself. Why are you following young girls? What do you want? Ooh, you will not do anything. You are mad. You are mad. You are a madman.
Bella, why did you go to them in the first place?
I wanted my mommy to give me food.
How many people are in this house?
Bella and my sister.
If you want something from someone, who do you come to?
My sister.
Whatever you want in this house, anything at all, you come and tell me, okay? Don't go to mommy, don't go to daddy, you come and tell your sister, okay?
Hi, Rebecca. I am Brian, and I'll be a nurse from now on. I am told you don't like taking drugs with water, so I have a proposition for you. If you take your drugs with water, I'll give you a treat.
Do I look like a dog to you?
No, not at all. But we have to meet at a point. We have to compromise. So, tell me what you want, and I'll do it. Just one thing.
Let me see. What could a girl confined to a wheelchair possibly want?
No. Don't do that. It won't work.
What won't work?
Manipulation and emotional blackmail. Yes, you're a cripple, and so what?
How dare you say that to me? Who the hell do you think you are?
Someone with 2 functional legs. Listen, Rebecca. We can do this the easy way or the hard way. Make your choice, but please think about it.
I'll choose the hard way.
Choice then. You know, I was going to give you this lollipop to sweeten your mouth after taking the drugs. But since you picked the hard way, you have 10 seconds to take your drugs, or you will eat it till you do.
Let me see you starve me.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let me know when you're ready.
How did it go?
Smoothly. She took it without hesitation.
What?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
Thank you.
You're welcome, Mom. But there's something I need to tell you, Mom. She told me not to tell you about it, but I just have to.
What could that be?
Over the next couple of days, she might say certain things about how I care about her and how I treat her. But that's not true. I implore you not to believe them, Mom.
Can you explain better? How do you mean?
She might say that I treat her badly, I don't care about her, and then all she needs I don't provide for her, but that is not true.
So tell me, why would she say them if they are not true?
Well, she told me not to tell you about it. It's supposed to be between both of us. It's a prank from her side, I guess.
Okay. So, why don't... Oh, first, thank you.
You're welcome.
Why don't you set that there and go get your things?
Okay, Mom. I'll do just that.
Thank you. Just over there. Nice one there.
All right. I'll just...
No, just, yeah.
Why not?
Thank you. I expect to see you soon.
All right.
Yes, I understand. Women talk about the most trivial things. Almost. It's obvious. No, 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 no. Not tonight. Definitely not tonight, eh? No, I'm expecting someone. What do you want to hear? Oh, next week. Precisely next week. I have to go. I'll call you. I'll call you later. Yes, who's there? Yes, who's there? Oh, Anita! Mochi, mother man. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. No, sit just right there. Okay? Wow. So how are you doing today? Anita, did someone hurt you? What is wrong?
Is that for Rebecca?
Yes, sir, it is.
Let me have it. She asked for it already.
All right, sir.
What do you think you just did?
I believe I just finished eating a really tasty meal. Does it look like I did something else?
My mom will skin you alive when she finds out. I'm texting her right now. Give it back.
Not a chance. Now quit disturbing me. I just finished eating. Let the food digest properly. Please.
You won't get away treating me like this. You won't.
Are you seriously threatening me? Don't do it. I'm not comfortable with it. Thank you.
Who is my bed? Here. What are you doing in my bed?
I was scared.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm back now. So did you pray before you went to bed?
Yes.
You did? Let's
Chioma, you're a young lady. Try and be. Stop. If you need another one, you let me know and get another one. Meanwhile, I want to quickly go pick something. Yeah? Check on Rebecca.
All right, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you.
Oh, let's not forget. I want you to also bring out a fish. Yeah? Let's see what we can make this morning.
Oh.
Hi, Ram.
Hi, ma'am.
Where are you headed this morning?
Oh, ma'am, I am going to the hospital to refill Rebecca's prescription.
Wow. She has exhausted all the drugs?
Exactly, ma'am.
like you. And thank God you insisted because I actually had doubts on you when you came in with all this drama.
Oh.
Well, I'm actually trying to get something at the road this morning. So if you don't mind, let me give you a lift.
Oh, sure, I'll just join you.
Let's go.
All right.
You're welcome.
Chuma, how are you?
Very well, thank you.
Hi, Auntie Choma.
Hi, Isabella. How are you?
I'm fine.
You made a card for Auntie Rebecca, right?
I made a card for Auntie Rebecca.
Oh, let me see that. Get well soon, Auntie Rebecca. Wow, this is so beautiful.
Thank you.
You could. I'm sorry. She wanted to give it to Rebecca herself. I hope you understand.
It's okay.
Is she awake?
Yes, she is. I'll let her know you're here.
Thank you.
Excuse me.
Sit down.
Do you think we can see her today?
We can only be hopeful, baby. Thank you for making card for Auntie Rebecca. That was nice of you. Let me see.
Rebecca, Anita and Bella are downstairs to see you. Rebecca, Anita and Bella...
I heard you the first time. Tell them to go away.
But Rebecca,
Do I have to repeat myself?
No, I'll tell them. Excuse me.
Hi.
Good afternoon, Uncle. My name is Bella. This is my sister and my brother is in school.
Oh, Bella. Well, my name is Brian. And I am a nurse.
Did you fail as a doctor?
Oh, well, I did not fail as a doctor, but I succeeded as a nurse. So what are you doing here, cutie?
I came to see Auntie Rebecca.
Oh. Okay.
I'm sorry, but Rebecca is fast asleep.
Choma, thank you for lying to us. We appreciate that. Come on, Bella, let's go.
Please, you can give this to Auntie Rebecca.
Oh, okay, I'll do just that.
All right. Say bye-bye.
Sure, I will.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
All right.
I'll let her know that you came by.
I'm sure she knows that already.
Well, you already have the card.
Yeah, I'll just take it upstairs. Well, unless I'm hallucinating, you seem awake to me.
What do you want?
Me? Nothing. But there was a little girl here who wanted to see you.
You should learn to mind your business.
Trust me, I'm very good at that. But I choose not to right now. Anyways, she wanted you to have this.
Rebecca. Rebecca. Why are you crying? Are you all right? Rebecca, you have to talk to me. I can't help you if you don't talk to me. Bram! Bram! I don't know what is wrong with her.
Mom, don't worry. She's fine.
I'm fine. Do I look fine to you?
From where I'm standing, you look absolutely beautiful.
Is this a joke to you? You are starving me. You have been starving me. You won't even let Choma come to me. And you stand there to say I'm fine. What? Okay. How dare you? How dare you starve my daughter? Brian, you'll be severely punished for this. What do you want? What did you do to my mother?
I thought you're not going to stop reporting me to her.
Why are you doing this to me?
You had a choice, but you picked the wrong and hard way. Good morning. You asked to see me.
I changed my mind.
About what exactly?
I chose the easy way. I am so happy. So much has changed with Rebecca.
I am happy too, Mom. And I'm also positive about the next scan.
Yeah. Unfortunately, I won't be in town. You will have to handle it without me.
Mom, is everything all right?
Haven't you noticed? She doesn't speak to me.
Yeah, I have. But I felt it wasn't my place to ask.
It was all my fault. She and I haven't had the best of relationship.
Why is that, Mom?
Rebecca was very close to her father. And she was just 16. My husband, no, my ex-husband, was a chronic womanizer. He was too much for me to bear. The embarrassment, it was just too much for me to handle. So I took my decision to leave him, and there was no way I could leave my child behind. I didn't want her to see her father like that or see me unhappy, knowing too well it was going to affect her.
And she was too young also for me to explain the situation for her to understand. So I had to leave and I took her along with me. Since then, she's been very bitter. She doesn't speak to me.
It's all right, ma'am. You said the accident was your fault. How so?
Yes. I know I'm not always around, but that doesn't mean I love her less. She and I had a stupid argument. Had a stupid fight over that, and she drove out of the house with anger that night of the accident.
Ma'am, parents fight with their kids. It's normal. You shouldn't go blaming yourself for that.
Brian, it's been 7 months. She doesn't speak to me. You remember the day you said she was going to say something like lies? I was so hopeful. I just wanted to hear her say something. Anything. Well, I won't be in town for 2 weeks or a month. Please. I want you to look after her for me. Please.
I will.
And thank you. I'm sorry for all of this. It's just too much.
I understand, Mom. I totally understand.
Thank you.
Auntie Anita, they have started fighting again. Are you inside? I don't want to be alone. Auntie Anita.
I'm coming.
Here you go.
I don't want it.
What's that?
Nothing. I've taken these stupid drugs. Stop being a nuisance and leave me alone.
You know, it's okay to be upset. But being in a foul mood does not excuse you being foul-mouthed. You should like this. It won't take your worries away, but it's just might make you realize that there's sweetness even when life sucks.
I heard your grandfather died of your father died of management. You die of management.
Do you think they can ever stop fighting?
Mommy and Daddy, you think they're fighting? No. You see, there is this movie they are seeing, right? And in the movie, just eat biscuit. It's
I'm sorry.
What for?
Yesterday, I was mean to you. I'm sorry for that.
It's all right. Here you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Why the sad mood?
There are a couple of things that make me unhappy. I'm not sure which one is affecting me now.
You know what? Let's have a cheat day.
What?
A cheat day. So well, that was how it ended. Even till tomorrow, I still enjoy the story. Hope you did too.
I enjoyed the story too.
I shouldn't be allowing you have this after the ice cream. Much more giving it to you myself.
I won't tell if you want.
Good. Bon appetit.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Oh, what a night.
Thank you for today.
You're welcome.
It's been months since I had that.
Had what? The ice cream?
No.
What?
A good time, a good day, fun day.
Hey, don't down the mood. Don't. Get on with it.
Yeah. You are right. I can always cry tomorrow.
That's the spirit. So why don't you finish up? Let's get you to bed.
Brian, she's ready.
All right. You okay? You comfortable? All right. Hey. I'm sorry, okay? I wasn't supposed to do that.
I'm not sorry. Kiss me.
You sure about that?
Yes.
So, there you go. Alright, so I want you to have this. Yeah?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
How about yours?
Yeah, I'll do, don't worry. Like
Thank you.
Okay. So, I have been meaning to ask you something.
Okay. What is it?
Before I ask you, I want you to promise me 2 things. 1, you won't get upset. And 2, you'll tell the truth.
Okay. I promise.
Why are you always mad at your mom?
When my dad was around, we were a happy family. But she decided to throw it all away. She won't let me see my dad, claiming it's for my own good.
What if it was?
It wasn't. It isn't. It's for her own good, not mine. She destroyed the relationship I had with my father. When she insisted on keeping me, I thought she would at least be present. But no. She is never here.
I need you to understand that parents are also humans. Most times they make mistakes. But if they're right, overweighs they're wrong. Then maybe they're not so bad after all.
My dad was good. Very good. There was no wrong with him.
Yeah, people who are not always around tends to make fewer mistakes. You should talk to your mom. There is no clarity without proper communication. I think you should talk to your mom.
Hi, Uncle Nose.
Bella? What are you doing here?
Auntie Anita brought me here. She said I should give this to Auntie Rebecca.
Where is she?
She left.
All right. I'll give it to Auntie Rebecca. Hi, Becca.
Hi.
Bella is here to see you.
Send them away. I don't want to see them.
It's not them. It's just Bella.
If Bella is here, so is Anita.
Hey, Becca. It's just Bella. She said I need to ask her to give you this letter.
Throw it away.
You don't want to know what it says?
I don't.
Well, I do.
What is it? What does it say?
It says I have imposed on you a lot. I'm sorry I have to do this one more time. Please help me look out for Bella. Protect her from my parents like no one protected me. I just can't do this anymore. Once again, I'm sorry I put you in a wheelchair. Goodbye, Rebecca.
Here, Bella.
Thank you.
Enjoy it.
Bella! Where's your sister?
I already told you she left.
She left to where?
She went to see her maker, but I don't know where he stays.
Do you know where they live?
Yes, they live down the street.
Down the
Third
street.
house on the left.
Okay.
I am ashamed to be called your wife. Anywhere I go, people will be pointing at me. Look at Henry's wife. That man that used to carry small children. I am ashamed of you. I heard your grandfather died of humanizing. Your father died of humanizing. You die of humanizing. Shame! I shall walk. Night of Omonwa. Night of Omonwa. Night of the
Night of St. John. I am a night of St. John. I am a night of St. John. I am a night.
Night what?
I am a night of St. John.
Night of St. John.
Don't tell me that.
Night of Omonwa. Night of
Anita. Hey. Jesus Christ. Jesus.
How is she? How is Anita? How is she? How is Anita?
She'll leave Thankfully, I got there in time.
This is all my fault. I'm such a terrible friend.
I know. I'm not so sure about that.
I am. Anita was there for me through my parents' divorce. But I failed.
What happened between you two?
Anita's parents had always hated each other. And it's been hard on her.
In the letter, she said she put you in the wheelchair. How so?
When I left the house that night, I picked Anita up and we went to a party. We had a lot to drink. Then Bella called. I was crying. Told her parents were fighting again. I asked her not to drive, but she wouldn't listen to me.
So the accident was her fault?
I knew I was the only one she could confide in. But
you were so angry about the accident?
Yes. Anita would have died. Because I was being selfish. Would have died.
Hey, it's fine, it's okay. Come here. Come here. It's fine. It's okay.
Why are you a nurse?
Can I tell you a little secret? When I was 17, my mother had an accident. Until date, she's still confined to a wheelchair. My father took good care of her every single day. When I asked him why didn't he get a nurse, he said a nurse might care for her physically, but the mental and emotional care she needed, a nurse can give it to her.
I don't still understand.
Okay, I'll explain better. I became a nurse because I wanted other people to get the kind of care my mother got. The kind of care they need.
I don't still understand.
Don't worry, darling. Someday you will. Come on, let's watch. Smart girl.
Why are you with me?
What did you say?
Why are you with me? I mean, there are so many girls out there. Why me?
Because I like you.
Why?
I have no idea.
Can't you see I'm crippled? Confined to a wheelchair.
Are you serious? I never noticed.
Please don't make jokes. Don't you understand that life with me will be a whole lot of work for you?
Hey. Life is not like the movies. Love is hard work, intentional work, Nothing good comes easy. For every good that comes your way, there's a bad you'd have to deal with. Nakupenda, Rebecca.
What are you saying?
I am saying that I love you, Rebecca. The whole of you. Taking care of you isn't such a stiff price to pay.
But you heard what the doctor said. That I won't walk again.
No. He said you have a chance.
A slim chance.
But there's a chance after all. Okay? Hey. What if you don't walk again? Not like I met you walking.
I just don't want to put you through any troubles.
Hey. The only trouble you're putting me through right now is the tediousness of this conversation. So quit it and go to sleep. Nakupenda sana. Hey, go to sleep, okay?
All right.
Come here.
Steps.
I ask you to look after my daughter. I ask you to take care of her, and this is how you do it?
I am so sorry. It's not what you think.
Will you shut up? What is wrong with your gender? With this stupid line, it's not what you think. What do you think I think?
Ma'am, I apologize. I'm deeply sorry. I know what I did was unethical, but I love your daughter.
Bram! Shut your mouth. If you open your mouth one more time and apologize to me, I will forget you are a man and you're standing before me. I will lose it with you.
I love Rebecca so much.
Bram, before I lose it, I want you out of this house this minute. Out! I said get out! What is wrong with every one of you?
Hi, my baby. How you feeling? I'm sorry I was away for so long. I'm here. Nobody will take advantage of you. Nobody.
Brian! Brian!
He's not here. I had to send him away.
He shouldn't have taken advantage of you the way he did.
You did what?
My goodness. You were talking, my child. I'm so happy. You finally spoke to me. I am here, my child. Nobody has the right to take advantage of you while I'm still alive. Nobody.
Where is Brian?
You shouldn't have taken advantage of your vulnerability. I had to send him away.
You did what?
Get out! I know how you feel, but you should understand. You know, like, I know it's hard, but you have to send him away.
What do you care how I feel? Get out! Brian! Brian! Get out! Brian!
Madam, I apologize once again on behalf of Brian. I mean, that was unusual of him.
Doc, I don't care about that rascal. All I need is someone to take care of my daughter.
Well, I've been trying so hard to get you someone as requested. But Rebecca has gone through all her nurses list.
Doc, I understand. You think I don't know. But please, I know you can still do something. Okay, well, what about the last girl? What's her name again?
You mean Ijoma?
Ijoma, yes. Yes.
You want her back?
Temporary, at least until we find a more suitable replacement. Please.
It's okay. I will do just that. Madam, are you okay?
Yes.
It seems no matter how I try, my daughter still hates me. She still hates me. It breaks my heart. And I do all of this and more. Yes, she hates me. Do you know how this makes me feel? Do you know how I feel? At least you've been around us. Tell me, am I not trying as a mother? Am I not trying? You can be honest with me.
You are. But don't worry, everything will be fine.
Doc, this is my only child, you know.
Wipe your tears.
Good morning, Rebecca. It's time for your medication. Rebecca. 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 You know, you're doing yourself no good. You know that, right? You just have to stand up and take your medication. Please. You're making a lot of progress. Please. Do not make it go to waste. Okay? You need to just help me on this, please. You can still be angry and take your medication. And come on. Please.
I know you hate me. But God knows I'm trying the best I can. I am really trying here. You've been punishing me for years. That's fine. But please, stop hurting yourself. It is too much for me to bear. Please.
Why do you hate me?
I don't hate you, my child. How can I hate you? You are everything that I have.
You do? You took me away from Dad and left me all by myself while you kept going on with your life. And now you've taken Brian away from me.
My honey. My child. I'm sorry you feel this way. Listen, the truth is that your father wasn't what you thought he was. He wasn't a good man. He would have been a bad influence on you. And me, I wasn't going about my life. I was trying to give you the life you're used to, and if possible, something better. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
And Brian?
Can't you see? He was taking advantage of you.
He was not. He was not. Brian is not the man you think he is.
My child.
He truly cares about me.
Listen, I want you to know this. Things are not usually what it seems to be. I'm trying to protect you from this world.
Exactly, Mom. You think he was taking advantage of me, but he was not. I can swear to you. He truly cares about me.
I'm sorry.
I want him back, please, Mom. I want Brian back.
I'm sorry. Just stop crying.
Brian saved your life.
Yes, ma'am.
I am so sorry, my little girl. I didn't know you were going through all of that. I have no idea at all.
They don't even know that I and Bella were not in the house. They don't even know that.
Jesus.
Listen, stop talking about it and you just have to stop crying. You shouldn't have gone through all of that. I think I need to speak to your mother. My dear, listen, I know how you feel, but I have to speak to her. Yes. Meanwhile, I would advise you go see your friend Rebecca.
She doesn't even want to talk to me. I really don't think it's...
You just have to try. Please. I will leave you guys to have privacy. Chill.
Yes, ma'am.
Also, take your mother.
Excuse me.
Please. I just want to pick Bella, then we can go.
Please sit. Here. Please. Sit. I'm sorry.
You shouldn't have to apologize.
I do. You needed me, but I was being selfish. I don't know how I would have lived with myself if you had died.
You don't have to blame yourself for this, okay? Whatever decisions I made, yes. It's just my personal one.
I've missed you.
You don't understand it. This man has been cheating on me for years now.
You misunderstand why you're here. I am not interested in who did what. I am only concerned about the lives of your children.
And what is that supposed to mean?
Carol, where are your girls?
They are at home.
Are they?
If they are not at home, it means Anita must have taken Bella out.
You see, you don't even know where your girls are. You are so concerned, busy fighting, and Bella has been in my house for 4 days.
Really?
And Anita, she was in the hospital.
Oh my God! What happened? Talk to me.
Anita tried to kill herself. She was tired of listening to your constant fight and argument. She was tired. And it affected her emotionally all these years.
God.
She was tired.
Oh my God.
She was tired. So she decided to take her life.
I didn't see that coming.
Carol,
husband was a cheat. Yes. I am very sure it was worse to yours. Oh, yes. My ex-husband would cheat with anything and everything in skirt. Put a puppy in skirt, he will still go after it. And one day, I told my mom. Do you know what she said?
What did she say?
She said, my daughter, if you focus on what your husband is doing, your child will be wayward. Stay if you want to, or leave, but your child must come first. That's sink.
Where are my children?
They are here. And they are safe. But listen, you need to do better. You need to do better for the life of your kids. Those children need you more. You are focusing on fighting. No. Please. Please.
She's not picking her call. Wait a minute. Who is there? Ah, Harry Jerry. Is this your next week? Come in. I know you will not give me that. Good work.
Hey, George.
This is your next week.
You will not understand.
So what?
Sorry, one of my girls needed my attention.
Your daughter?
No, my girlfriend.
Oh, George. So, Harry, you stood me up because of a woman?
She's so beautiful.
I'm sorry, I'm only interested in only one girl.
Who is that girl? She must be very beautiful.
She is beautiful. Fresh and green with no hair in between. Don't get me twisted. But just that she is troubled.
Okay, I should be the judge here.
You should be the judge. I trust you want to see something. Let me show you something. I know who you are. Just wait a minute. Oh, so, is she not breathtaking? She is fresh and green with no hair in between, just like a chocolate, like a strawberry. The darker the berry, the greener the juice. I'm just like a honey,
How can you disrespect me this way? What is wrong with you?
And why are you shouting at her? What is wrong with you?
Carol, stay out of this.
Meaning?
Stay out of this! What is wrong with this girl? Sleep with my friend George. A man
old enough to be her father. Is that it? Where were you when she needed you? Where were you? She already told me everything. You should be ashamed of yourself. I'm ashamed of you.
Carol, you can't put that on me. You can't put it on me.
Oh, it's on you. It's on us. We have failed as parents. All they needed was love and care. Attention from their parents. But we are unable to give them that. Imagine, she even attempted suicide.
I am sorry, okay? I'm so sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Daddy. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Brian.
Yes, ma'am.
I really need to know. What is this you want with my daughter?
Ma'am, first of all, I have to apologize for everything I've caused you. You trusted me and I broke that trust. I am deeply sorry. Please forgive me.
What do you want with her?
Everything. I love your daughter so much, ma'am. And I want to build a life with her.
Brian.
Yes, ma'am.
You know she's my only child. She's all I have.
Yes, ma'am. I know. And I promise you I won't do anything to hurt her. Not for a second.
I will say don't. Please. For my sake. Don't.
I promise you I won't, Mom. So, can I see her now, please?
Sure. She's upstairs.
Thank you.
Before you run to her, go in there, take her medication, and make sure she takes her medication.
Sure, I will. I'll do that.
I'm watching you.
Oh, thank you, but thank you.
Oh, God.
I am told you don't like taking your drugs with water.
My nose left me. I've missed you.
Not half as much as I missed you.
Please don't leave me again.
No. I'm never going to leave you. Not for a second.